Namaste friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm here with some कपड़े जो मैंने परचेज किए थे and some are from west side, some I purchased online through Myntra. So let's get started with it. Along with that, I'll give you a review of the movie that I saw last weekend, which is Bengal Files. So yeah, let's get started with it. So first I'll start with Myntra clothes. So I got 4 t-shirts, more of polo neck because collared neck because semi formal में आपको चाहिए होता है तो you can wear it with jeans. So that's what I wear on daily basis while going to office. So this is how the first t-shirt looks like. I can't show you a try on haul because ये washed नहीं है and I don't wear without washing clothes. I've already seen like they will fit me, of course. So this is how the first color looks like. So most of them are of pink family. वो Levi's का था. This is from US Polo. This is a very beautiful peach color. You can see इस पे इसका US Polo का logo है. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. All of them are in small size. Now comes this one. This I did not even open it yet. So this is from a brand called Daily Ginger or Daily Ginger, something like that. I don't know if any one of you know the brand name. Just let me know how to pronounce it correctly. This is one of the t-shirts that I got out of my comfort zone. I mean, I don't wear brown much, but I felt like this is a really nice add-on to my wardrobe. So this is how it looks, and it has a nice embroidered written like Ace All Stars Tennis Club limited edition sort of thing. L doesn't look nice, but yeah, should be fine, I guess. I might change it or return it. This is one. Now comes the Puma one. This is a very pretty fuchsia color. So yeah, this is how the t-shirt looks like. Most of them are like half sleeves. So yeah, it comes with its own logo. So readily I have seen that the things that come online are cheaper because पोलो में ज़्यादा कुछ वैरायटी आता नहीं है, प्लेन टी शर्ट्स होते हैं इसलिए. Now here come this west side thing. I usually got night clothes from there, like sleepwear. So I saw a very nice night suit they have. So I usually prefer cotton. I don't go for any other material, but I don't know what exactly is this. This is a t-shirt where balance is written. This is what I got to wear in the night time. I'm not gonna wear it like going out. So this is how it looks. It says balance. This is a black t-shirt. The other one is a white t-shirt. So yeah, it has this texture sort of thing, like this is printed on it, pressed on it maybe. So yeah, now here comes to pajamas. So this was a very nice pinky color, and I can wear it throughout the day while I'm working, and yeah, can be used as a sleepwear as well. Second one is this. ये तो mostly मेरा sleepwear में ही जाएगा. It's a very basic color with vertical lines, and yeah. So yeah, that's it about the clothes. So I would also like to share the views that I have regarding the movie that I saw last weekend, which was Bengal Files. What I felt while first watching the movie is like this is something which should have been told us earlier. Of course, people from Bengal already knew about it, and it's their history, but it should have been circulated in India, like this has happened and this is how people coped up there. Apart from that, in terms of movie, like it's a bit draggy, and I understand why, because they have tried to, you know, connect two particular things which is happening in present and then something which happened in the past, and connecting one particular character called Bharati with the past and the present and what happened at that point of time. So yeah, I mean, all in all, movie was really nice. I mean, there should be more movies which should come up, like for social reasons. It's not always about, you know, for entertainment purpose, because you know movie is something, हम हिंदी में कहते हैं मूवी समाज का आईना होती है. तो this is actually the mirror which is like जो आपके हिस्ट्री में हुआ है आपको वो दिख रहा है. And you know there are real pictures as well which is being used. So I feel on and all it's a good movie to watch, in terms of history. And you know, if you're solely going from the entertainment perspective, I would not advise you to watch this movie. If you want to learn something about, you know, your history and how, you know, things are happening today in Bengal, you might want to you know, look into it. And people who has gotten affected, how you know, I'm really shook after seeing that ki, you know, women, how they were, you know, uh, whatever happened with them, it was utterly disturbing. And yeah, just wanted to say, just watch this movie once and try to understand, you know, कि exactly आपके पास में हुआ क्या था, कि आपको उससे क्या सीख लेनी चाहिए. With different people, different you know, different आपको सीख मिलेगी. But definitely you should, it's a must watch movie. So yeah, with that I'll finish this and would like to thank you. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Bye bye.